Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, in the Inspect session of the Second International Conference on Science and Technology for the Internet of Things 2024 on Teacher Profession Education. I'd like to thanks for opportunity that happen to ask the present the article with the title is Improvement of Learning Outcomes of Grade 5 Students in Pancasila Education subjects to the TGT or Team Games Tournament model at SD Negeri Mendungan 2, Yogyakarta. And the second time, let me introduce the speaker and the author. Speaker today, I'm Radhita Windyasari from Sarjana Wiyata Taman Siswa University, and the author are Heri Maria Zulfiati. And now we are going to move on my presentation. In learning Pancasila education in grade 5 SD Negeri Mendungan 2, teachers still rely on conventional methods such as lecture and presentation discussion. The dominance of teachers in the teaching and learning process is very felt. Although efforts to encourage students' engagement are carried out through questions and answers, only a small percentage of students actively participate, while the rest tend to be passive. To overcome these problems, participatory and interactive learning approach offer effective and creative solutions. The learning model applied is the student-centered method. Talk play techniques are known as cooperative types teams games tournament. This research is type of classroom action research that is carried out in 2 cycles. This study used the design of the classroom action research flow developed by Cummins and MC Taggart, namely planning, action, observation, and reflection. The research subject used grade 5 student SD Negeri Mendungan 2 with a total of 29 students. Action in the study were carried out in 2 cycles and each cycle was 2 meetings. Data analysis techniques use quantitative and qualitative descriptive. The research is a classroom action search conducted in 2 cycles consisting of pre-cycle, cycle 1, and cycle 2. The subjects in this study are 29 students in grade 5 of SD Negeri Mendungan 2. Data collection techniques are carried out by observation, interview, test, and documentation technique. Based on the result of the study, it can be concluded that the use of the TGT model can improve student learning outcomes in the subject of Pancasila education in grade 5 of SD Negeri Mendungan 2. The result obtained based on the study where pre-cycle data of students obtained a percentage of 69.82%. Then the research carried out cycle 1 of the students obtained a percentage of 77.06% with the sufficient category. This is an increase from pre-cycle to cycle 1 of 7.24%. Then in the cycle 2, students obtained a percentage of 86.20% with a good category. Based on the result of the research, the learning outcomes of Pancasila education for grade 5 students at SD Negeri Mendungan 2 can be improved by using the TGT or Teams Game Tournament Learning Model. The TGT learning model consists of 5 stages, namely class presentation, learning in group, games, match and tournament, and group awards. The increase in each cycles so that the TGT model can improve student learning outcomes.